Why do people snore and how to stop snoring? Snoring is a frequent issue that in most cases affects the one that's not actually doing the snoring. Almost everyone can relate to those sleepless nights caused by the partner snoring and the mornings that follow, which are filled with an obvious feeling of irritation and tiredness. Before looking at the available solutions to snoring, let's take a look at why people snore in the first place. Being a man. Men are more prone to snoring than women, mainly because they are born with air passages that are narrower than a woman's. Narrower airways translate to an obstructed airflow that during the breathing process causes the tissues that surround the opening to vibrate vigorously and cause the loud snoring sound that keeps us from sleeping. Excess weight. Not only does being overweight affect your general health, but it's also a determining factor when it comes to snoring. The poor tone in the neck's muscles and excessive tissues around the neck obstruct the free flow of air through the passages at the back of the mouth and nose, which in return vibrate and cause an increase in snoring sound. Bad lifestyle habits. Alcohol and tobacco are undeniable culprits when it comes to snoring. While the alcohol relaxes the muscles around the throat, smoking triggers inflammation in the airways, thus snoring becoming louder and more frequent. Not only is snoring disruptive to family life, causing sleepless nights and resentfulness, but it also makes the snorer an object of ridicule in front of friends and in other social instances. So, what can you do to prevent snoring? First off, you should exercise more often. Adopt an athletic lifestyle, lose weight and develop a good muscle tone. Avoid drinking alcoholic beverages at least 3 hours before going to bed and say a big no-no to those hefty late-night meals. You can also try sleeping sideways rather than on the back and even consider placing an object behind you so that it prevents you from tilting back. Most effectively, you can use an FDA-approved anti-snoring mouthpiece, like the one found in the description of this video. You can also consider an appointment with your healthcare provider to discuss your snoring, its possible causes and the possibility of obstructive sleeping apnea. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!